Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing the topic that is need and significance of organizational behavior. As I have told you before, organizational behavior is basically studying the behavior of the people in the organization so that the goals of the organizations are achieved as well as the goals of the individuals are achieved. So today we will be discussing why it is important to study this topic of organizational behavior. So it helps in studying self and others. If you understand the individuals and the others in the organization, so you will having the better understanding of the people, what they require for their motivation, what actually they want from the organization. It helps in better communication. The organizational effectiveness could only be achieved if your vision, your goals are clear. So it helps in better communication. The communication must be effective in the organization. It helps in motivating of the subordinates. Organizational behavior helps managers to basically motivate the subordinates. If you motivate them, motivation can be from anything. It could be from salary, it could be the perk, it could be the recognition that you are giving to the organizational employees. So subordinates could be motivated by any of those factors. So if you motivate them, then you ultimately get the best result out of them. It helps in attainment of the objectives. The organization has certain objectives. So if the employees perform best of their abilities, the organizational behavior helps you to achieve those objectives, because every employee wants to fulfill his need through the organizational activities, and it is the organizational responsibilities to provide a conducive environment, the environment that helps the employees to grow. If an employee could perform best of his abilities, so ultimately he would be able to achieve the goals of the organization, as well as his own satisfaction would be there in the organization. If you talk about controlling and directing behavior, so organizational behavior helps you to control and direct, control over what the actions they are doing, what behavior they are doing, and directing them towards doing the activities they are doing. So organizational behavior helps you in controlling and directing the behavior of the employees. It helps you management change the human behavior, because you have to deal with people, and human beings are always resistant to change. They are not ready to accept the change very frequently. So organizational behavior helps you to manage any alteration that is there in the workplace organization. So organizational behavior helps you to manage those changes. The last one, the importance of organizational behavior is that it helps you to create a healthy work environment, because there is good working conditions, there are adequate compensation, better equipments for the job. So ultimately there is an environment of mutual trust and confidence. So good environment motivates the employees to work best of their ability. So these are the certain factors, you can say the needs or significance of the organizational behavior. So these are the reasons why an organization needs to have an organizational behavior, and ultimately it would benefit the employees as well as the employers in the long run. Thank you.